Alright, welcome back to the channel. So I ordered some side racks and a top rack from Motoes. And this is what you get basically. Some nice stickers, a little bit of hardware, the side racks, and obviously the rear rack here. It's not, not too complicated. The instructions they give you are fine. I'm a little bit unsure where these brackets are, like how they're placed. They're going on the rear pegs, but exactly the orientation I don't really know. But we'll figure that out once we start installing it. But yeah, looks like nice pieces. I went with this because it was substantially less money, and I didn't need much. So yeah, hopefully this works out. Okay, what I'm going to do first is just remove this hardware here. Seeing I don't think we're going to be using it anymore.
So full disclosure, the two forward-facing mounts on the top rack don't align particularly well to the angle of where the bolts need to enter the frame. And I messed with this for probably like an hour trying to get it right until I had to bend the actual mounts to make sure it all lines up right. If you're someone that expects the kit to line up perfectly, this might not be the right product for you.
So I got the side rack and the top rack, or the rear rack, whatever you want to call it, installed. The fitment is pretty off. I bet you a lot of guys might even strip some of their threads in their frame, making sure it's, you know, it's aligned and whatnot. It's mostly the rear rack where they weld their pieces to come into the front bolts here. They're not perfectly aligned, and there's no wiggle room for the bolts to find their home, especially this side here. It's not as bad here with these spacers. It allows more free play. Then when we come down here, these brackets here mount facing up with the hole towards the front of the bike, and they give you all the hardware. I left my pegs on. I don't know if they'll stay on for very long, but for now they're on. I'll have to think about that. But once it's installed, it's you know, it's tight. It feels like a pretty sturdy piece. You know, other than the fitment issues, you know, it's for the price, it's good. If you're someone that, you know, wouldn't feel comfortable bending some of the pieces to make work or whatever, then this might not be for you. I'm sure there's other brands out there that probably have better fitment issues, you know, but they're going to be twice the price. Yeah, this was quite a bit less than some of the comparable models from other companies. So yeah, would I recommend it? If you're willing to tinker with some of the fitment issues, absolutely. If that part bothers you, then I'd probably look elsewhere. All right, well, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Hopefully I answered most of them, showing you what I ran into with the install. All right, thank you.